Let's talk about how to do percent composition problems. So like all percent problems, we need to find the mass of each of the components or the elements. So you want to find the mass of the part, whatever the question is asking about. Next, we want to divide by the total mass of the compound. Another way to say that is you want to find the mass of the whole thing. And then last, we're going to multiply by 100, and that's going to turn it into some percent. So here's an example problem. Calculate the percent composition of a compound that is made of 29 grams of silver and 4.3 grams of sulfur. So on a Regents question, they would ask for something specific like find the percent composition of silver in this compound or find the percent composition of sulfur in this compound. While we're doing these practice problems, we're always going to find the percent composition of every part of the compound. I'm going to show you why. So let's do first silver. So the mass of silver here is 29 grams. That would be the part. Now the mass of the whole is the mass of this whole compound, which consists of 29 grams of silver and 4.3 grams of sulfur. So if I add 29 to 4.3, I will get 33.3 grams total. So if I divide those numbers and then multiply by 100, I'll get 87.1% silver. So let's do the same thing for sulfur. So the part of sulfur in this whole compound is 4.3 grams. So the whole is the same. We're still going to divide by 33.3 grams total. And when I divide that and multiply by 100, I'll get 12.9. So the reason in these practice problems that I want you to do both is because if you look at the two percentages that you solve for, if you add them up, they're going to equal 100%. Which tells you that you did it correct. If you only did one of these things and you did something slightly wrong, you wouldn't know it. So this is why I like doing every percent. So to do a percent composition problem, follow these 4 steps. Find the mass of each of the components, divide by the total mass of the compound, and then multiply by 100. And your last step is you should always check to make sure that your percentages are equal to 100. If it's not, you did something wrong, and go back and see if you can find it.